What if everything you believed about learning was about to change? In a world where dreams often feel out of reach, a silent revolution is happening, right now. In homes, offices, and coffee shops around the globe, people just like you are discovering something extraordinary. They're discovering that the future of learning isn't just about technology, it's about hope. Imagine for a moment the single parent who thought education was beyond reach, the career professional trapped in a job they've outgrown, the teenager who was told they weren't smart enough. What if I told you their stories are about to change? Because right now, artificial intelligence is doing something unprecedented. It's not just teaching, it's believing in people. This isn't about replacing teachers or traditional education. This is about unlocking human potential in ways we never imagined possible. Think about it, an AI that adapts to your unique way of thinking, a tutor that never loses patience, a guide that celebrates every tiny victory, a mentor available at 3 a.m. when inspiration strikes. Watch this. That's not just technology responding, that's possibility being born. But here's what's truly extraordinary. People learning 3 times faster than traditional methods. Career changes happening in months, not years. Lives transforming through the power of personalized learning. Results vary by individual commitment and circumstances. And the most incredible part? This is just the beginning. Because AI learning tools aren't just changing how we learn, they're changing who can learn. The busy professional in Tokyo, the rural farmer in Kenya, the retiree in Brazil, the student in India, all connected, all learning, all growing. This isn't just a revolution in education, it's a revolution in human potential. Imagine a world where every failure is just feedback. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every dream has a roadmap. Look at how this works. That's not just an algorithm. That's your future adapting to you. Let me share something powerful. A story of someone who started exactly where you might be right now. No special advantages, no extraordinary resources, just a dream and an AI learning companion. 6 months later, their life was unrecognizable. Because here's the truth about AI learning tools. They don't just teach you skills, they teach you what's possible. And right now, in this moment, someone is writing their first line of code, someone is speaking a new language for the first time, someone is discovering they're capable of more than they ever imagined. Could that next someone be you? Here's what happens next. Comment ready below. Share what dream you're ready to chase. Join our community of future-focused learners. Because in the end, this isn't just about artificial intelligence. It's about your intelligence, your potential, your future. The future of learning is here and it's waiting for you.